All right, hello everyone. All right, go ahead and get your next math paper out, which is lesson 128. So get that paper out, and you're going to need your pencil and then your crayons for this math paper. So get those out right now, and along with your math paper, make sure you write your name and number at the top of your paper, and then we'll begin. Now on the front of your paper, at the top there's a poem written, so you can read the poem and then you can color the picture next to the poem there. And then section 2 on the front, you'll notice there are some coins, 3 different rows of coins, and then to the right of the coins there's 3 different numbers. So you're going to count the coins and then draw the line to the correct amount of the picture that is listed with the number. So we're going to work on these together, okay? So the first row, we have 3 coins here. Our first coin is a what? Who can tell me? A quarter, that's right, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. So for this section, you may want to get your paper out that I sent home with the different coins and their value. That will help you, because sometimes we get a little confused recognizing our coins because of the different faces and pictures that are on the coins. So if you get that paper out right now, it will help you greatly figuring out which coin is which, okay? So the top row, once again, we have a quarter here and another quarter, and then this last coin here. Who can tell me what that coin is? It's a nickel, and a nickel is worth how much? Look at your paper. 5 cents. It's worth 5 cents. So we have 2 quarters and 1 nickel. Now, I know that 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. So 25 plus 25 more would be 50, because that's half of a dollar. 2 quarters is half of 100, or half of $1. So we have 50, so I'll write 50 here to help me. And then I have my coin that's worth 5 cents. So 50 plus 5 would be 55, okay? So this is 55 cents. Now I'm going to look over to my right, and I'm going to find 55 cents. And I'm going to draw a line to the number 55. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing in the second row. Now in the second row, they have 2 pennies, and then 1 dime and 1 nickel. So we're going to have to count this money and then draw a line to the correct amount. And then same thing on the bottom. We have a dime, a quarter, a nickel, and a penny. You're going to have to add those coins together, their value, and then draw the line to the correct number. Now I'll let you do those other 2 lines on your own, okay? So once again, get your coin paper out to help you figure out the value of the coins if you can't remember. Now let me turn my camera a little bit here. There we go. All right, so we're going to look at the back of our paper now, and you will see a lot of addition and subtraction problems. Now, some of the problems, they want you to write the missing add-in, or they want you to write the sum. Now, a missing add-in is a missing number from the problem for an addition problem. And then the sum is the answer to the addition problem. Now, some of the problems, they have subtraction problems, and they want you to write the missing numbers there. Okay, so let's look at, I've written 2 problems on the board. So let's get your paper out and find these problems. 62 plus something equals 88. This problem is located on the top row, the second problem in. You see little chalkboards there? So find the top row and the second problem in. Now, we just covered this area in our last lesson. So let's see if you were listening and you remember how to figure out the missing number. So we have 62 plus something equals 88. Now, this is what kind of problem? That's right, an addition problem. So with addition problems, to find the missing number, we start with our answer, which is 88. And I'm going to take my answer, 88, and I'm going to subtract it from 62. So I'll start on my one side. 8 minus 2 is, that's right, 6. So that's part of my missing number. And then I'm going to come down here again to the 10th side. 8 minus 6 equals 2. So my missing number is 26, and we could do the math. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So I know that this missing number is correct. Now the next problem is 71 minus something equals 51. And that problem is located all the way on the bottom of your paper, the bottom row and the very bottom corner. Okay, so 71 minus something equals 51. Now remember, with the addition problem, we start on the bottom. But with a subtraction problem, we start on the top. Okay, so we're gonna start on the top. So I have 1 minus 1 equals 0. So I'm going to write 0 here. And then 7 minus 5 equals 2. So let's check and see if this is done correctly. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. So I know that the missing number is correct. The missing number is 20. So you will need to complete the rest of those problems on the back of your paper, and then you are more than welcome to color the picture. Make it look nice. And hope you have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.